So a few days ago, I showed you the best soil for planting fruits and vegetables. And so today I am going to show you how to prepare the best soil for planting fruits and vegetables. Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today the weather was pretty nice. So I would just let you watch the video and I would just tell you a little bit about it. So this is what I do is very easy. I just get the soil, mix them up. I do not do any type of exact measurement. I just use my buckets as my guide. And so I have seen this particular cow manure at Ace, very cheap. I've never used it before. And so I decided to try a bag of it out, but I didn't use it on my fruits. So this mixture that I am mixing is the mixture that I use on my vegetables and not my fruit. I didn't use this on my fruit because this is a new cow manure that I am using. And when it comes to my fruit trees, I don't play. I have to give them what I normally give them because I don't want no problems. So this cow manure seem okay, but when I look at it compared to the other compost and stuff that I use, it is a little bit on the lighter side and it seems more like a clay-like texture. So if you have used this cow manure before, because I'm trying to have different options, please let me know in the comment section so I can look into it and maybe get more of it, because like I said, it's a lot cheaper than the black cow that I always use. So if I'm going to estimate the measurement in percentage, so the black cow I use 50%, and then the rest of the other compost I use the rest of it combined to make up 50%. And this black cow, it is so rich. I have been using it for a while. So let's look at the difference between the Ace cow manure, which is this one. It looks more like clay, light, and then the darker one, it is the black cow from Home Depot or Lowe's. So you can see the difference. Like I said, it's my first time using the one from Ace, so I can't tell you much about it. But like I said, it was cheaper and I wanted to try something else, so that's why I got it. But you don't have to use that. You can just go ahead and use just the black cow. Now, this is my little mixture that I have. I have block meat, I have bone meal, and I have my fertilizer blend that I am going to mix with the mixture that I have in there, so I can use it on my vegetables. Just like that. It's pretty easy. And this mixture, I am using it for everything. I'm using it for all my vegetables, my collard greens, my kale, my broccoli, my Brussels sprouts, and then I'm just adding a little bit of worm casting. And I'm also using this to plant in pots. So I'm not making a separate blend to use in pots. I am using the same thing. And of course, you guys know my neem seed meal, and then I have some chicken poop. So this is going to feed my plants for a while. Like, I'm literally going to harvest from this, making this mixture and planting vegetables before I even add anything else to it. So this is the beginning of the growing season, and I am just trying to give my soil or my plants a really good start. And then all you do is you just take your time and you mix it up. You mix it up really well. And now you have your best soil mixture. So you can use this mixture. If you're using it for fruit, you put the fruit fertilizer instead of the vegetable fertilizer. If you're doing it for vegetables, you put the vegetable fertilizer. So you don't have to make extra blend. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I use this as a potting soil instead of making a whole brand new set of soy blend. We are just going to use this for everything. Well, that's it, guys. I'm just going to cover it up before the cats get into it, and I have this mixture ready, so when I'm planting my vegetables, they are right there for me to use. That's it, guys. Have a wonderful day. Let's grow together. Be safe. You got it. We got it. We can do it. I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Remember, food is freedom. Just start with one seed. No land, no problem. Just have faith and start.